Now the offset line command can be used in the field data edition. And what the offset line will do will offset a line horizontally and or vertically. So I'm going to use the offset line command, which is on the CAD tab. You can give it a name too, so when you offset it, you can actually name it, and you can also apply it to a layer. So you're going to start by picking the line you want to offset. So if I was to select this bottom of this pond, you can see now it's asking or prompting me for a distance. So I can either click the distance or I can enter in the distance. So let's say I want to go 10 feet. And then the side will be depending on which direction the line goes. And you can see here that if you click on the side to offset, and then I pick on the inside of this object, you'll see that it switches to left. If I pick on it again and I pick to the outside, it's going to offset it to the right. Now I can also choose a vertical offset. So if I want to offset this, let's say 2 feet, I could type in, enter a value of 2. But if I also want to offset it by a slope or a ratio, I could actually type in that slope or ratio. So if I wanted to offset this at a 3:1 slope, I could put in a 3:1, 3:1, and hit tab, and you'll see that it will actually calculate based on the distance, the offset distance up here. It's going to calculate what that vertical offset should be. You can also choose to only offset a segment of it. So if I don't want to offset the entire object, I could choose a starting point and an ending point. So I could come in here and say I only want to offset from this point to this point, and when you click apply, then it's only going to offset that portion of that line. Now if I turn this off and do it, you'll see that it actually picks the line that you offset. So I'm going to come over here and change that line shrink to this one, and let's offset it to the other side, and I'll click apply. You'll see now that it offsets the entire object, and in this case it's going in a positive 3 direction. If I wanted to actually drop it down, I would put a negative value here, and it would actually drop it negative 3.33 feet in this case.